Perceived parental behavior and religiosity as predictors of in-school adolescent sexual risk behavior in Ibadan metropolis, Nigeria. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Sexual risk behavior is an important contemporary concern, especially for the self-destruction and societal ills it causes. Research has been ongoing on adolescent sexual risk behavior in the country, and recent studies still report high rates of premarital sexual activities among Nigerian adolescents. Sexual risk behavior among youth, defined as early sexual initiation, unprotected intercourse, or sex with multiple partners, is a major area of concern to parents or caregivers and health professionals given the many associated negative consequences. There is a dearth of literature on the interaction influence of perceived parental behavior and religiosity on adolescent sexual risk behavior in the country of Nigeria. This study, therefore, investigated the prediction of sexually risky behavior of the youth by their perception of their parental behaviors and their religious belief. The roles of a few socio-demographic factors were also examined. A cross-sectional research design was employed. Using a multistage sampling technique, 1,589 participants, male, N is equal to 753, and female, N is equal to 836, aged 13 to 19 years were drawn from 10 private and 19 public secondary schools in 3 of the 5 local government areas, LGA, in Ibadan metropolis as participants for the study. Regression analysis revealed significant prediction by parental psychological control, beta is equal to 0.10, T is equal to 3.99, P less than 0.01, while the other parental behavioral dimensions were not significant. Religiosity also significantly predicted sexual risk behavior among adolescents. F1, 1584, is equal to 50.25, P less than 0.001, beta is equal to 0.18, T is equal to 7.08, P less than 0.001, indicating an increase in sexually risky behavior with a decline in religiosity. Age, gender, and family structure were also independent and significant predictors. Beta is equal to 0.12, T is equal to -4.89, P less than 0.1, beta is equal to 0.30, T is equal to -12.62, P less than 0.01, beta is equal to 0.05, T is equal to 2.12, P less than 0.5, respectively, implying the younger male adolescents from polygamous setting are higher on sexual risk behavior. Implication is an overuse of psychological control. Efforts should be geared towards eliciting healthy parental behavior through teaching parenting skills and also giving adolescents cognitive therapy. Religiosity should also be encouraged. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.